friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Are you ready to draw something super fun and cute today? Let's draw an adorable apple together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers and let's get started. Let's start with the apple stem. Use your black marker and draw a small curvy rectangle at the top of our apple. Now, let's add a leaf next to the stem. Add a line in the middle and a few veins to make it look real. Next, we'll draw the apple. Start at one side of the stem and draw a big round shape. Let's make our apple even cuter by giving it 2 little feet at the bottom. Draw 2 tiny ovals, one on each side. Perfect. Now, let's bring our apple to life. Draw 2 big, cute eyes near the middle. Add a tiny circle inside each eye and color it black to make them shiny.
La da 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 dee.
Then, draw a happy, smiley mouth below the eyes. Isn't our apple looking adorable? Fantastic job, everyone! Now, let's make our drawing pop. Use your black marker to trace over all the lines and make them bold and sharp. Wow, it looks awesome, doesn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color our apple. Grab your colors, and I'll guide you along. For the stem, let's use bottle green color.
Wow!
Color the leaf with a bright green color. For the feet, we'll use pink, such a fun color. Finally, let's color the apple with a bold, bright red color. It's going to look delicious. Great job! Your apple looks amazing. Wow, you all did such an incredible job drawing and coloring this cute apple today. Hello, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, where we turn ordinary paper into a canvas of cuteness and creativity. Today, we're going to draw something adorable, a cute apple with its own personality. Are you ready to bring this fruity friend to life? Grab your black marker, and let's begin our fruity adventure. Start by drawing a simple, round apple on your paper. It's going to be as cute as can be. Now, let's add the finishing touches to our apple. Draw a stem on top and a leaf sprouting from it. Our apple is coming to life. To give our apple its own personality, let's draw 2 big and cute eyes. Now, add a friendly mouth and watch your apple transform into the cutest fruit in town.
Wow!
Let's make our cute apple stand out even more. Use your black marker to make those outlines bold and sharp. See how it adds that extra touch of charm. And now, the most delightful part, coloring. Grab your color pens, and let's add some vibrant hues to our adorable apple. Bottle green for the leaf. Green for the stem. Red for the apple. Let's discuss these essential fruits worth knowing about. Apples are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients like fiber and vitamin C. With thousands of varieties available, each apple offers a unique flavor experience. They're not just tasty snacks, they're also associated with numerous health benefits, including improved heart health and digestion. And pink for those cute eyes. Look at that!
Awesome!
You've created the most adorable apple friend. If you had a blast today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more cute adventures, and share your fantastic artwork in the comments below. Today, get ready for a double dose of fun. We're drawing a rainbow apple and a cute, delicious chocolate treat. Are you excited? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's kick things off with a rough pencil sketch. Are you all set to sketch a bright and colorful rainbow apple? Now, grab your black marker. It's time to bring this apple to life with bold, confident lines. Let's intensify those outlines, making our apple stand out with boldness and sharpness. And now, it's time to infuse our apple with the magic of colors.
Wow!
Orange color. Bottle green color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Purple color. Indigo color. Blue color. Green color.
Cool!
Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. What a colorful apple. Now, let's dive into the sweetness of drawing a cute chocolate treat. Let's sketch. Hey friends! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw something super fun, an apple with a pencil and alphabet.
Yay!
Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, draw a big bold letter A. Now, draw B right next to it. And finally, let's add C. Amazing job! Now, let's add some numbers. Draw 1 next to the letters. Now, draw 2 right beside it. And finally, let's add 3. Woohoo! Draw a long, slanted rectangle going across the alphabets and numbers. Now, add a pointy tip at the bottom. Let's add the eraser at the top. Wow! Now, let's draw a big apple behind everything. First, draw a small stem right in the middle. Now, let's add 2 cute leaves on the sides. Finally, draw a big round apple shape behind all our drawings. Great job, everyone! Now, let's make our drawing pop by making the outlines bold and sharp. Look at that! Our apple is so cool! It's coloring time! Let's bring our drawing to life with beautiful colors. Red color for the apple.
Wow! La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! Our drawing looks amazing! Yay! We did it! You guys did an awesome job drawing and coloring this cool apple with a pencil and alphabets. Don't forget, hello, little artists! Are you ready to draw something delicious and fun today? We're going to learn how to draw a cute and easy apple. Grab your black markers and let's get started. First, let's draw the stem of the apple. Next, let's add a leaf. Great job! Now, let's draw the apple. Awesome!
Wow!
Now let's add a knife on one side of the apple. Draw a straight line for the blade, then add a handle. Don't forget to draw a small heart shape on the handle. Finally, let's draw a fork on the other side of the apple. Draw a straight line for the fork's handle, then add the prongs. And of course, draw a small heart shape on the handle. Awesome! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Look at our amazing apple! It looks fantastic! Now it's time to bring our drawing to life with some bright colors. Here are our color pens. Let's start coloring our apple. Green color. Bottle green color. Red color. Blue color. Yellow color. Purple color. Cool! Pink color. Fantastic job, little artists! Your apple looks so colorful and beautiful. Keep practicing and making amazing art. Creative. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.